big guy. What's up? They gon' feel us when we roll. They call them big guy. Okay. And we be putting on for sure. And if you know this, join in, subscribe to the channel. We like the vid. It's a big family. And we putting on big for the team. Oh, big guy. What's up? They gon' feel it. What's up? They gon' feel us when we roll. They call them big guy. Big guy.
Hey, big guy.
They gon' feel us when we roll.
Can I have a order, please?
Hey there, can I try your Impossible Whopper?
I'm sorry, what was that?
The Impossible Burger, Impossible Whopper?
I do have it.
All right, awesome.
You
want to try
it?
No, just a burger.
Just a burger? Anything else?
How much is that burger? Is it better to get the meal?
I'm sorry?
I'm trying to see if it's a better deal to get the meal.
$5.85.
Yeah, give me the meal, please.
I'm sorry?
The meal with onion rings, please.
The meal now with onion rings?
Yeah,
Okay,
sorry about that. Do you have Diet Coke? Is it
A
Pepsi?
Diet Coke?
Yeah.
No problem. Did you want to make it medium or large?
Just a medium.
All right, anything else?
Do you have the tacos?
I do have tacos.
Can I get 4 tacos, please?
Okay.
You want some pop?
I get the Impossible.
Actually, make that 2 Impossible meals, please. I'm sorry.
2 Impossible meals with some onion rings and a diet?
Yeah.
No Diet Coke with that, a Sprite.
Sprite on the second one?
Yeah.
Yes.
Okay.
And 4 tacos.
And $21.28.
All right, thank you so much.
You're welcome.
All right. All right, guys, as you saw, we just ordered the Impossible Burger, but I also want to shout out the tacos, too, because every place here in Deltona, Florida, they did not have the tacos. They were sold out, so I got 4 of them so I can test them out. Normally, I would do it on Taco Tuesdays, but this time, you guys are going to get it. Maybe I'll be there tomorrow, but we'll see. So, I'll check back in. We're going to sit and eat this and see how it tastes, because it's supposed to be a vegetarian-type burger. With no meat, but we'll see. But it smells good, unless it's just the burgers I'm smelling. But either way, I'll check back in with you guys. Stay tuned. Hey, okay. Look at, hey, the boy say shit like me.
2 great different opinions.
Hey, that's what's up.
Oh my God, let us know when you come back through.
Okay. Y'all have a good day now.
Thank you. All right, guys, we got these things on deck. Let me see. I don't know what she did. Maybe they put them both together. But hey, we'll get it all figured out. Oh yeah, I got my pops here with me. We gonna sit here and
What's up?
Man, the Impossible Whopper. It just hit the stores today, so we gonna let you know whether you should go get yours or not.
Thank you, sir.
We gonna review this with me. We can share these fries or whatnot.
Okay.
If you should want to be in your lap or not. But we got the Whopper, Impossible Whopper, and we got fries, and I got the same thing. If I can get it out here. Yeah, same thing. It's just weird doing it. I'm not in my truck, so I don't have my setup. But guess what? We're gonna make this thing happen. I'm looking way over there, turn right here. Write it down. All right. Let's let you guys look at this thing and see what time it is. Pop has this open. Got lettuce, tomato, looks like some mayo. The patty is charbroiled. So again, guys, this is not meat. It's impossible. It's impossible that it's meat. So we're gonna see how it tastes. Okay. See his facial expression. Okay. Well, that is healthy anyway. So.
There is a difference. You can taste the difference.
Taste the difference? What it tastes like?
Doesn't taste like what she said, liver. But it's got a hint of it. Almost like a veggie burger.
Oh, okay. All right.
Similar. It's a
All right.
veggie burger.
Okay.
And I've had veggie burgers in the past. So this is similar to a veggie burger.
Okay.
I think I can do this.
They can do that?
I think I can do this.
Can you do it for the price? It was like $5.89 for a sandwich.
Price is too high for just a sandwich.
And for the, what it costs, $21 for everything? But I got 4 tacos, but.
Yes. Price is too high. They need to drop at least $1.50.
Okay.
And everything. But I just wouldn't buy it by itself.
Right.
I would buy it with the meal.
Okay.
And everything.
All right. Let me take that bite. And guys, I'm gonna check mine out and see how I like it. All right, guys, Impossible Whopper on deck. Yeah, this is like a veggie burger. Let me see here. Yeah. There you go, guys. There you go, guys. Also, guys, the size of it is the same size as a Whopper, so that's a good point. I do like hand comparisons, but yeah, the size of it is about the same size as a Whopper, so that's good to give you some idea of what you ordered. Okay. All right, guys. Got onion rings on deck. On deck. The burger right here. I'm one-handed today, so basically just a food review. I'm not gonna eat all this right now, but just want to give you guys an idea what it is. I'm gonna catch it since it just came out. It has onions on it, but I want to taste it the way it comes, so I can give you guys an honest review. Hold up. Just meat by itself. It's not bad. I think it's a bit overpriced, but it's not bad.
Yeah, it's not bad, but overpriced.
Big bite, big bite. It's all dressed up. It's not bad.
They make it a little juicy with the condiments in there too.
Yep. The ketchup and the mayo.
It's not dry.
Yep. Tomato, lettuce, onions. It's not bad at all.
Not dry.
Popping dog in and out.
This is breakfast and lunch at the same time.
Yeah.
Good workout.
Yeah, I just left the gym. Man, that man is 65 years old. I don't look like I do it.
Please.
He pound the fountain of youth.
Jesus.
Amen. Amen. Is the flower by? I will buy it. I will buy it. I think it should be a little bit cheaper, but it's a good burger alternative. You know?
I agree.
It's a good burger alternative. You still get a Whopper type flavor from a char bar, but
I would do the meal.
yeah. It better do it with the meal. It's not bad. I didn't think I would eat all this, but
Impossible has become the possible. They eat it all up.
Came the Impossible burger. It's really good.
And one other key too is I haven't had anything to drink to wash it down. And that means that the sandwich is not dry.
That's true. That's a good point.
The sandwich is not dry.
You can see it. I'm sorry, guys. I'm gonna eat this thing up. This is good. It's a wrap. I think I ate that less than 3 minutes.
Yeah, I would buy it again too.
Yeah, I don't feel heavy either. So that's a good thing. But still Whopper taste. If you taste the meat, the patty by itself, you can tell the difference. But if you taste it as it comes, it's not a bad combination the way they have it. So
None whatsoever.
the only complaint is probably the price. It's probably a little bit more than what it should be. Just not eating meat. They ain't killing cow for this. They're not killing the cow at all. Hallelujah for that, but still.
Not even taking it to the process.
Right, they ain't taking the process or, you know, the plans or nothing. If I go this in the backyard over there. But the Impossible Burger, it was good. So that's my take on it. My take on it to eat these things. Thank you guys for joining. Quick video. Much love. We see you guys in the next one. Peace.
Be blessed.
Be blessed. And remember, God's blessing you today. Like and subscribe.
On purpose.
Say bye bye.
Bye.
Bye bye.
On purpose.